Hey, welcome back YouTube to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Porter cable, air compressor, and nail gun combo kit. Stay tuned. So I picked up this combo kit at Home Depot. I'm gonna open it up to see what it is. I got a pretty good deal on it, so I'm excited to see what comes in the box. So straight out of the box, what you can see is you have your air compressor here. It has your connections here. It has your gauges here. You have your extension cord for your power that goes along here. Along with the compressor, I did get a manual. I got the hose that goes along with it, and I can only assume these are my 3 different types of nail guns. So we're going to open each one of these up one at a time and see how they come packaged. Alright, so here what you have is this is going to be a 6-gallon 150 PSI air compressor. It does have your tank pressure gauge here. It has your regular pressure gauge here. It has your adjuster here. You have your connections here and your power here. Alright, give you a little quick 360 of it. The next thing that came out of the box is your actual staple gun. So this was a 3-piece combo on top of the actual compressor. It came with a staple gun. Alright, so there you go. It actually gave you some staples and it gave you the manual. It also came with this 18 gauge nail gun. Alright, came with the manual as well. Came with a 16 gauge nail gun. I'll give you a little side-by-side comparison. 16 gauge is a little bit bigger. And it came with its own manual. And we have your air compressor hose and the air compressor itself with the manual. Alright, not too shabby. I like picking up some deals that are combo deals because when you start adding up all the items you're going to buy individually, you do end up saving some money. So I was able to pick this one up. It was on a special. I was able to get not only the compressor but these 3 guns. The compressor itself would have set you back about $100 on its own individually. This whole entire setup here probably set me back about $200, but this included 3 different guns and the air compressor. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. This has been the unboxing of your Porter cable compressor and nail gun kit.